Good day everyone, I am Lilina G. Cablo and today I will be presenting my final project entitled Group Expense Splitter. Group Expense Splitter is a mobile application designed to help users manage and divide shared expense among friends, classmates, family members, or any group of individuals. The system allows users to record expense, monitor spending activities, and calculate balance to ensure that expenses are shared fairly among participants. The application was developed using Flutter and Dart for the front end, PHP for the back-end API, and MySQL for database management. As shown on the screen, I am first presenting the source code of the application. First is main.dart, which serves as the entry point of the Flutter application. It is responsible for launching the system, displaying the user interface, and connecting the application to the backend through an API. Second one is expense PHP, which acts as the backend API. It processes requests from the application and manages the retrieval and the storage of expense records. This file handles the communication between the mobile application and the database. And the last one is DBPHP, which handles the connection between the application and the MySQL database. It ensures the expense records can be securely stored and retrieved whenever needed. After presenting the source code, I run the application. The group's expense splitter dashboard is displayed. This page shows all recorded expenses. Next, I click the Add Expense button to create a new expense. The Add New Expense form opens, where I enter the expense title, amount, payer, and participants. After entering the required information, I click Add Expense. The system saves the expense and automatically displays it on the dashboard. Next, I open the Analytics page to view a summary of the recorded expenses. And lastly, I open the Settle Up page. This feature calculates the balance of each participant and shows who needs to pay and who should receive payment.